kitty cat. And other people can come, but I'm going to discuss about that. If you see black kitty cats, then if princess hate kitty cats, then they say, kitty cats. I hate kitty cats, they say, like black kitty cats. And you know what? Somebody's gonna come with the same equation I said you. And I have an equation. When she's gonna come, then she's gonna discuss about her. Hi guys, I don't love kitty cats because they're really disgusting. Ew. I'm gonna discuss, and then my other friend is gonna come to speak. And then I'm gonna first discuss about what I'm doing. Which person's gonna come? I don't know which person's gonna come. Nobody's gonna come. But it's, I think, gonna come after 10 hours or 10 minutes. Did you hear that? That's kitty cat. Oh no, I'm just kidding. Okay. Do you hear that? I'm the same one kitty cat. You should know about me. And I was wanting to give you an equation. 1 minus 1 equals 0. That's the correct one. So close. 20 minus 1. 20 minus 1 equals 21. So close. It's 19. Okay, other person's gonna come. Hi. You know about me. Actually, you know. Princess was saying, I hate kitty cats. Okay, guys. If you like the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Right now, you have to subscribe to the channel. I'm just kidding. I'm not a baby or a baby girl or anything. You have to subscribe to the channel if you love it. Please give me a comment and my sister. And give me a comment if you like the video. Like today's family, all the videos and pictures. Yeah. You hate kitty cats. Yeah, I hate kitty cats. Just kidding. We're sisters. If you like the channel, subscribing always helps the channel. So yeah. Bye-bye.